Yeah, this is how you.
A proud Mukurino.
Yeah, I'm a proud Mukurino. Yes, my religion. Yeah.
Wow. Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Ni Debbie Wambo kama kawaida with another hot interesting outfit video. And yes guys, mgeni wa leo nimewaletea another gentleman in the show. So in the count of 1, 2, 3, drum rolls. Yay, karibu sana our guest. How are you? Hapa ndani. Uko aje? Kabisa. Unakaa poa, unakaa awesome.
Thank you.
I love every detail of your outfit.
Thank you very much.
Nice. Sasa introduce before tujaanza.
So, hello my people. My name is Peter Muchai. Ama watu wananijua Shaipi. Yeah, and today we are with Debbie Wambo. Thank you.
Wow. That was so brief. I love that. So, napi nasikia kuna uzito twabi na hana ore wa hai. Hakuwete besha shove.
Maybe kiatu.
Yeah. How much for the shoe?
The shoe is 4500.
4500 when a plug.
Yeah, plug ni Canyonis collection.
Wow.
Yeah.
How much for the suit? Like nichukue ikiwa yote ama nichukue pair?
Yeah, ikiwa yote.
How much for the suit?
Suit is 8000.
8000 when a plug kana?
My plug is Johnny's Clothing.
Wow. How much for the shirt?
The shirt is 1500.
Yeah, bado ni wa Johnny's.
Yeah, Johnny's collection.
Wow.
Yeah.
How much for the turban?
The turban is 1500.
1500.
Yeah.
Unaweza tuonyesha the way like unafunganga the back part kindly.
Yeah, this is how you.
A proud Mukurino.
Yeah, I'm a proud Mukurino. Yes, my religion. Yeah.
Wow. Nidona we na gadha. How much for the silver watch?
The watch is 1000. My plug is Eze Legacy Watches. You can reach him for such watches. Yeah.
His TikTok account ni hiyo tu?
Yeah, his TikTok anaitwa Eze Mutahi. You find him and then you can inbox him for such watches.
Wow. I love everything about that interview.